As China's PLA Air Force showed off its J-6 fighter-turned-drone, military experts draw parallels with the US Air Force's history of converting warplanes such as the F-4 and F-16 into unmanned aerial vehicles. Satellite images indicate that China has converted its 1950s-era J-6 fighter jets into UAV. Two of China's East Coast bases near Taiwan were seen housing a significant number of these fighter jets. The Shenyang J-6 is a Chinese fighter aircraft modeled on the Soviet Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-19 interceptor. The piloted version of this aircraft was formally decommissioned from the PLA Air Force inventory in 2010. However, despite its retirement, the aircraft had been captured in multiple satellite images of China's strategic air bases situated on its coastal provinces. Reports emerged in 2013 which suggested that the PLA Air Force had converted the vintage J-6 fighters into UCAV. It has been reported that conversion was designed to leverage the obsolete aircraft as a decoy to help carry out suppression of enemy air defense or SEAD tactics. Another intended purpose was to use this warplane as a rudimentary combat drone. Satellite images captured on 15 September 2021 and made available by Planet Labs show 50 J-6 fighters. When asked about this development, Indian Air Force's retired Air Vice Marshal Pranay Sinha told, it can be used either as a decoy to overwhelm adversary air defenses by their sheer numbers or as a rudimentary unmanned combat aircraft. It is a vintage MiG-19 class and has no practical purpose other than as stated to be used to overwhelm Taiwan air defense systems, provided they can launch them in massive numbers. To me, it is more psychological warfare. Former Vice of Air Staff, retired Air Marshal Bhushan Gokhale said, the United States has done this many years ago and their utility is multiple, from reconnaissance, SEAD, decoy, a saturation of enemy air defense, etc. Instead of breaking up airframes into scrap, this is a good option. Has China copied an American tried and tested formula? The US Air Force has long undertaken a similar project to convert its aging F-16 variants and repurpose them as operational drones. Thank you everyone for watching this video.